Well, got up this morning and had no power. Woke up about 4 o'clock or maybe about 5 maybe a.m. and there's no I didn't hear no water dripping. So then I didn't see no lights in the house. I was like, well, thank God I got gas at least. No lights in the house and no dripping water, so I was like, well, probably lost power. So went outside, checked the main breaker and all that, and everything was off. Everything was not on, no power. So thank God I went ahead and routine maintenance and brought the generator out, PM'd it and everything like that, and make sure it's seasonal, make sure everything's working. And drag it out of the shop, right out here. Fired up in about 5 minutes. Got power to the house. Do my RV plug, back feeds my breaker, my panel I mean. Shut off. I got 220 volts. Fired my house. About 5 minutes. Now everything works in here. I got hot water, the whole 9 yards. Well worth it to have a little backup like that. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day.